Hi, I'm Colleen, and I want to talk to you today about a connected parenting response for what you can say when your child says, I am bored. What I used to say to my son is, boredom isn't something that happens to you. It's not something that's outside of you. It's actually just a little connection in that moment or a disconnection from yourself. And so, what I used to say to my son is, you're just a little bit disconnected from yourself, sweetie. And if you just, sit on the couch or whatever he was doing for a few minutes and wait, something will come in, right? Something will rise up from inside of them, and all of a sudden they'll have an idea and they'll be off and running. And it happened every time, he'd sit quietly for a moment, and pretty soon he'd be up and drawing or putting on some music and dancing or doing something else creative. So, just to reiterate, boredom isn't something that is about our environment around us. It's not something that happens to us. It's just a little mini disconnect from ourselves inside. And I think teaching our kids not to be afraid of it, but to just sit with it, helps them to reconnect again. So that's all for today. My name is Colleen Adrian. I am a coach for parents of sensitive, spirited kids, helping them learn connected parenting strategies. Thanks for listening. See you next time.